Good morning, all of you.
Good morning.
First of all, I would like to thank my respected teacher and my dear friend who give me a golden chance to front of you. So now my topic money. When do we need money? Money can't buy happiness, but it can buy security and safety for you and your love. You can buy anything like happiness, any product easily, and you respect any person. Human being need money to pay for all the things that make your life possible, such as shelter, food, health clothes, bills, and good education. You don't necessarily need to be bills gather to have a lot of money to pay for their things, but you will need some money until the day you die, because money is necessary for obtaining the goods for survive. You need to survive and understanding of personal financials essential. You need to be responsibility with the money can earn the safe and future can ensure you will still have you know lift over when you can lodge together your labor for money. Thanks for listening.